there, partner. How's your day going? Pretty good. Okay, hi, I'm Dylan Shusky. And here's a little informational video of what to do if you're lost out in the wilderness without a map or a compass. Let's get into it. Follow me. Howdy. So, I could not sadly record everything outside, so I'm going to have to do some of it inside, because there wasn't a crescent moon. Speaking of a crescent moon, let's get into the crescent moon method. Pretty much what that is if you have a crescent moon and go down between the two sides of the moon, you actually can go all the way down to the horizon, and that finds you south. It's pretty cool, isn't it? You can see it on that demographic that should be like right here. That's pretty neat. Ayo! So I see you found a creek here. Creeks are one of the easiest ways to find your way back to civilization. All you gotta do is follow this the best you can back down to where it goes. Because usually where there's a lake, there's people around. And where there's people around, there's civilization. They can help you find your way back. Oh my shoe! Next we have the Big Dipper method. The Big Dipper method is pretty much to where if you find the constellation, the Big Dipper, and go to the edge of the cup, you can follow the edge of that cup down to Polaris, aka the North Star, and when you find the North Star, it points in the direction of north, and then you have the direction of north. Wow. Next thing I got for you, you see that big fiery ball of death known as the sun? That can actually help you find east, west, and south. Pretty amazing, right? So how it does it is it rises in the east, sets in the west. And then if you follow it to the horizon in a little bit of an arcing manner, you can actually find south. And if you find south, east, and west, you can find north. So you have your own compass right here on the planet Earth without a compass. How neat's that? That's pretty neat, I believe. After the Big Dipper method, you have the mountain method. Pretty much if you have mountains in your area with snow on it, the side of the mountain that has more snow on it, that actually means that that's a north face. It pretty much pointing in the northern direction. So if you need the direction of north, you can find it. There it is. Congrats. Man, would you look at that? Since I followed those easy steps, I found my way back to my house. Isn't that great? If you follow those easy steps, you can find your way back to your house too. Have a good night, field science class, and anyone else that ends up watching this. You never know. It could save someone's life. Yay! Bloopers! Here we watch a wild beast in its natural habitat. Look at it as it goes, stalking its prey. And its prey is love and affection. Oh, no, it's not.